Alrighty guys, sorry about the really horrible lighting. Window behind me, window over there, light above, and of course that thing in the back. Turn that one off. So dark you can't see. So we also picked up the O&N Bright multicolor LED light strip. Put a link for this down below in the description. 32 footer, right? Of course, you know, we'll get this for underneath the bed. And then the daughter's like, well, I want one that goes all the way around my room. Okay. We'll have to measure that and get that figured out. But anyway, open up the box here. Like always, we'll put a link for this down below in the description so you can check it out if that's something that maybe you might be interested in. At least you can see how easy she is. Alright, so you got two things that come in there basically. You got the power cord. Of which we will go ahead and take the twisty tie off of that. Get that stretched out. And I'm going to go ahead and plug her in. Pull her up through there. And then we got the light strip itself. So have to open that up. Alright, so you got a nice little remote with it to be able to change quick colors. Plus it's pull that little plastic out. Boom. That connects the battery so that the battery is now turned on. Alright, so we got two reels. That's the IR switch for the remote. So you got to make sure that that's somewhere where you're pointing the remote at that. And then of course you got the hole here to plug your power strip into. And of course these reels are taped off a little bit. It'll just help hold them in place until you get taped to the top. So we'll go ahead and plug this in. Cord into the back. And bada bing bada boom, she's lit up. Okay, so we're going to set that off to the side. We're going to bring you guys in here and then we're going to start reeling that around, right? We're going to take one first and we're just going to break that tape, start unreeling it, and there's tape all along the back side of this. So we're going to unreel that a little bit and get that tape off the cord, right? So we're going to peel some of that tape off. And we're going to just bring it straight up from the ground there. And I think we're going to go even with the bottom, right? Even with the bottom of the bed frame. All right. So that's going to put a little bit of pressure on there, so we don't want to like just leave that hang there. So we're going to get the other one started as well. Just unreel that a little bit. And we'll peel that back off. Okay, we got it started. All right. Had to start it in the middle. And then we're just going to take that, put that right up against there as well. That way they're both hanging at the same spot. For now, right? That way we're not putting too much pressure on either one. And just gonna get that fairly straight. There we go. Oh, that's so much better, so much better. Okay. Now with that, both of those started, now we can go ahead and finish one off to the corner. We're just going to go to the corner for now. There we go. So we just tap, 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 right? Tap, tap, tap. And then we'll finish the other one off to the corner as well. So we'll peel more of that tape off. And then we will get this set here. Go around that corner. And I did not quite meet the bottom of the rail. Bottom of the rail, bottom of the rail, bottom, 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 bottom. How's it looking, guys? How's it looking? How's it looking, girl?
Good.
All right. Get some more of that pulled off. And we'll get some more of that stuck up there. Now, honey, can you come underneath here so you can see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Okay. Just Get that stuck there, yeah. All right. Well, okay, she was a little longer than I thought she was going to be. So we did, there we go. So we did move her to go on either side of the center beam here. Got a strip going on this side, a strip going on this side. And of course, it's on the generic flash randomly whatever mode. Oh, V plus, I don't know what V plus does. I don't know. I'm pointing it to there, I'm hitting the button. I don't know what it's doing. Anybody should read the instructions, right? But if we want blue, we hit the blue button. If we want green, we hit the one that has a G on it. If we want red, we hit the one that has the R. Now there's other different colors. Yeah, let's put it on white so you can see the... That is not white, guys. That is a green, blue, white. Ugh. Anyway, there's more colors on here, so just pick a color. You hit the color. Here's a pink one. Here's a purple one. There's another purple. There's another blue. There's a yellow. The white is most definitely not white. There's also an off button, so you can turn it off. Can't see anything now. Turn it back on, and we're gonna go with, I don't even know what color. Oh, it's pink. Oh, we want the purple. All right, so we can say we went on for 1 hour. You can go like jump 3. I think that's pretty much what it was on in the first place. We'll hit quick. Okay, it's a little quicker. You can set it for 2 hours. You can go jump 7, whatever jump 7 is, I don't know. And then slow. That'll just go real slow. Fade 3. Ooh, I like that. Auto. Ooh, that was kind of weird. It's like a strobe for a second, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. Okay, it wasn't just my eyes. Fade 7. I like fade 3 better. This one's just not grabbing me at all. Flash. Oh, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. What's this one do? I don't know. Here, we'll do that, and then we'll go. But I'm not sure what this button's doing. Oh, it's okay. So the half. Okay, so this is brightness. The mostly black with like a quarter white is dim. The half black, half white is mid, and then the 3/4 white, 1/4 black is somewhat bright, and then the full white is bright as can be. Cool. This one goes to music, right? So if she was in here playing music, it would be flashing like crazy to her music. Noted by how much it's flashing when I talk. Okay. Music 2. Yeah, now it's going to flash while I'm talking or while the music's playing, but goes solid as soon as things get quiet, instead of blacking out like the other one did. Okay. Music 3. Okay, a little strobe in and out on the red color. Ooh, whatever color it stops at. So it's going to flash like crazy when music's playing, or when there's sounds, when games are going, or whatever it is going on. You know, just going crazy. And then it's going to quietly in and out when it's not so loud. Music 4. Solid, but it's going to flash while you talk, blah, 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 or while the music's playing. So, cool. I still don't know what V up and V down is, though. Yeah. Did it do anything? Mm-hmm. Oh. I think it changed color. Oh, that's because I'm talking. What does V up and V down do? Oh, so V up and V down adjust the sound reactive sensitivity. So I guess you can make it go faster or slower, depending on how much sound there is. Okay. It's kind of cool. What do you guys think? What do you think?
Good.
You think it's good?
Yeah.
You gonna have fun with this?
Yeah.
All right. Can we leave you alone so you can play?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
Watch TV.
You're gonna watch TV and make this thing go flashy, flashy, flash?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, why can't it hear me?
Talk louder.
Okay. So, hey. Okay.
I think that's what hears you over there. So you're kind of far away and you're talking into your knee.
Oh, okay.
Bye!